Remove intercompany transactions from your consolidated reports automatically with Joiin, so your group figures always reflect your true picture. We've got a P&L for two companies here, Joiin Limited and Saltram. And if we scroll down into other income, we can see there's an intercompany revenue item and an intercompany expense item that naturally I want to eliminate at the consolidation point. So to begin this process, we'll go on up to settings and we'll go to eliminations. And we'll be able to create our group elimination structure from within here. So we're going to press add elimination group, and we're just going to call this intercompany. We'll then choose our elimination method. For the time being, we're going to eliminate purely by account, but we have options for our sales reports to eliminate by contact and to manage partial eliminations here as well, eliminating by account and contact. So we're going to choose eliminate by account, and we're going to begin and choose the two companies that we have within this group. And then I'm going to search for the accounts in question. I've got my intercompany revenue from Joiin to Saltram. And then if I search in here again, I've got my intercompany expense from Saltram to Joiin. I've now chosen to eliminate these ones. I can add a netting adjustment, which will essentially account for any FX differences between these accounts and post an FX adjustment. I'm going to create that elimination group. And then I'm going to go back on over to my P&L and let's look at how that one behaves. So we come down here again and we can see our intercompany accounts. We're going to go up here and we're going to choose to remove our eliminations, choosing the elimination set here, which I've already done, and I'm going to apply the changes. And I come down here and those amounts have now been removed, giving me a true reflection of my group's P&L results.